Guys, I don't care how good your Riz is, if this is what it's like sleeping next to you, it's going to hurt your game. Studies show that poor sleep quality can negatively impact your libido, causing a decrease in performance and satisfaction in both you and your partner. All this can be corrected using mouth tape at night. By forcing your body to breathe through your nose, you're less likely to snore and more likely to get better sleep. Lastly, nitric oxide is released when you breathe through your nose, and that helps combat ED. So,